calls in arrear account. Normally we use calls in arrear at the time of allotment if the holder of the shares they fail to pay allotment or call money. Allotment or call money. Suppose for example holder of say 1000 shares issued 1000 shares issued payable as rupees 40 on application, rupees 20 on allotment, rupees 30 on first call and rupees 10 on second and final call. And the question says the holder of 200 shares did not pay allotment and first call, which they paid with second call. Right? So they have not paid the allotment or first call, they paid the money with second call. In the second call, they paid the first allotment money as well as first call money. Take a per karibo. Right? So at the time of allotment, the due entry will be allotment due. The entry will be share allotment account debit, share allotment account debited, that is 1000 into 20. Don't write in this way. To share capital, that is 20,000. You have to write the narration. And allotment money, for allotment money received, the entry will be bank account debit. I was supposed to receive money on 1000 share, but now I am receiving on 800 shares. Calls in arrear account debit, that is 200 into 20, to share allotment account, that is 1000 into 20. At the time of first call, again the due entry will be share first call account debited 1000 into 30 to share capital 30,000, and first call money received, for first call money received, the entry will be bank account debited 800 into 30, calls in arrear account debit 200 into 30 to share first call account. Right? I have not recorded the due entry. You will write it on your own. Then we have to pass the due entry for second call. Due entry will be share second and final call account debited to share capital. That is 1000 into 10. And now we will receive the money due, all the calls in arrear money. This one as well as this one. All the money we will receive now. Right? So this arrear money we will receive it now. The entry will be for receipt of final call money, bank account debit. How much it will be? 1000 into 10 normally, which is due, plus the calls in arrear money. that is 200 into 20. Don't write in this way, I am just explaining it. And 200 into 30. Right. Till now we have debited calls in arrear account. Now it is to be credited to calls in arrear account. This amount 200 into 50, that is 10,000, and to share second and final call, that is 10,000 rupees. Now if you are asked to prepare calls in arrear account, it may be asked to prepare the calls in arrear account. Draw the format in a proper way. This is calls in arrear account. Right. I have not recorded I have not drawn the amount column. So the first entry is bank account debited, calls in arrear account debited to share allotment. So calls in arrear account debited to share allotment account. The amount will be, that is 4,000. Then to share first call account, it will be how much? 200 into 30, 6,000 rupees. And when we will receive in the final call, we will write by bank 10,000 rupees and it will be closed. This is one way when we have received the total money. Right, calls in arrear account.